Nature's retribution, the tale of river, frog, and scorpion. Once upon a time, in a tranquil forest, there existed a river that flowed in harmony with the surrounding nature. Along its banks, the river had formed a warm friendship with the creatures dwelling nearby, including a frog and a clever scorpion. One fateful day, the scorpion expressed a desire to traverse to the other side of the forest and sought the frog's assistance. Trusting the scorpion's intentions, the frog agreed to carry it across the river on its back. However, as they approached the opposite shore, the scorpion unexpectedly stung the frog. In pain and confusion, the frog asked, "Why would you betray me?" The scorpion simply replied, "It is in my nature, let this be a lesson to you." The wounded frog fell into the river, and the scorpion watched as the waters carried it away. Witnessing this act of betrayal, the river itself became enraged. It recognized that the delicate balance of nature had been disrupted. In its fury, the river turned its currents against the scorpion, dragging it into a watery prison. The scorpion, now captive, faced the consequences of its betrayal. The frog, though wounded, found solace in the deep waters. As the river's retribution played out, the forest's equilibrium was gradually restored. The lesson was clear: in the intricate tapestry of nature, betrayal comes at a cost. The tale of the river, frog, and scorpion serves as a reminder that the consequences of one's actions can disrupt the very balance that sustains us all.